Make this your first home to visit. View this fabulously fresh, inviting, upgraded, model Perfect Woodfern II Friends will come sit on your covered inviting porch. Spectacular open floor plan entertain all your friends and family in the enormous kitchen. Stunning wood floors master suite has tremendous space, private Ensuite, with a spacious walk-in closet. Need an office, cozy spot to read your favorite novels? Does your honey need a sports watching getaway? Boy, do we have the room for you. There is an amazing space on the massive back deck for summertime grilling or just soaking up the sun. Check out the awesome amenities. You can ride a bike, go fishing with a friend, play bingo in the lake lodge, or if fitness is your thing, work out at the new rec center. If you're 55 plus, you too can live here.